Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this bomb wig that I have installed. Look at her. She's gorgeous. Let's jump into all the details about this unit. Today's hair sponsor is Luvme Hair. They sent me this 24-inch 180% density 13x4 deep wave frontal wig. This wig is also glueless because it does come with an elastic band.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop.
Okay, so I don't know what I want to do with the baby hairs, but I never know until the end what I really want to do.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just
Okay, she's looking good. I was worried about the lace at first, but it definitely got melted. But I'm gonna go in with some foundation anyway, because it is looking a little light in some places. And if you get it on your hair, it's okay, just get like a damp rag or a makeup wipe and remove it. Not a big deal. I think we're gonna do a middle part. It's been a while since I've done a middle part on a curly. Has it been a while? It feels like it's been a while. Let's just do a classic middle part. the lace on this is pretty wide. It's pretty wide everywhere. It is a true 13 by 4. Like it's 4 all the way. It's not just like 2 inches on the side. So you can definitely do updos with this wig, no problem. When you're doing this around your face right here, you really want to take your time because this could go left so fast. So I can still see the lace on this one, so I'm going to go in with some tinted foam. Ooh, oh shit. Why is it not foaming anymore? It's not foaming anymore, guys. It's made a huge mess. This Girls with Curls conditioner. I only use conditioner when I feel like the hair, you know, just wants to be defined a little bit more. This is how it came out. This I would say this is more like a transparent lace. That's the vibe it's giving me. So it did melt in pretty good. I did put some powder and foundation along the hairline to just clean it up a little bit. And I think it looks so beautiful. That's what it looks like up close. It's so pretty. Now I would say 24 inch, it's definitely stretch length 24. It is not styled length. This is what it looks like. I would say the density is very full. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from the back. To me, it looked like spiral. Like if you look up close to the curl pattern, a lot of the curls were like spiraled in, and I had to actually like individually separate them because they were like drying in like a ringed formation. It was low-key giving me Annie vibes, so I wanted to, you know, make sure we opened up the curl. I did dry her with the blow dryer. If you let it dry naturally, it's definitely going to be more defined, you know, but for me, the density is beautiful. I would say it is the perfect amount of hair. The wig does feel relatively soft. There's no bad smell to this unit as well. Really like that. I love how full it is in the deep parting space. It's just a beautiful unit, you guys. Check them out. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box for you guys if you want to check it out. I think it's super pretty. I love how full it is. The density is where it's at, you guys. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. If you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. And also, if you've made it this far into the video, you are the MVP of the day. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.